If you're a lover of vlogs, then you will know that one thing that comes with vlogs are the voiceovers. And if you want to edit cinematic voiceovers, yes, cinematic voiceovers for cinematic vlog edits on your CapCut PC, then this is an easy step on how to do it. Now, normally, you know, on mobile phones, after editing your video, you just go to the audio section and you just click on the record button and record your voiceover. But at times when people are editing with their laptop PC, what they do is they record their voiceover separately and then they import it into the video. But this time around, I'm going to show you how you can be able to edit that your voiceover inside your CapCut PC as if you're doing the voiceover on your phone, but this time around it's on your laptop. If you just see me for the first time, I'm Samuel Favor and this is TECHLENSIVE, where I talk about CapCut editing tutorials, tips and tricks, AI that are helpful, and a lot more. Anyways, let's head down into how you can be able to do this. Alright, let's say you have imported your video and you've already edited your video. Now, this is the video that I'm going to be using. This is a vlog video that I've already edited. Now, what I'll just have to do is I'll play the video to see if the video is what I actually want to use. Now, the next thing I will do is I would come to this icon here. It is almost the same thing like how it is on mobile phone, where you go to the audio section and then you look for the voice record option and then you click on it. On this place, you don't need to look for it. It's already on the taskbar. All you have to do is after you're done editing your video, you look for this microphone icon. Funny enough, it shows you this is the voiceover icon. You click on it. Then here, if your laptop is a laptop where you impute mics, that is, you have an external microphone that you use for your voiceover or you use for streaming or whatever, when you come to this voiceover area, you click on the impute device and then you can choose the microphone that you want to use to do your voiceover. Then you choose the one. For me, I'm using a wireless microphone that I connected to my laptop. So I'll click on wireless microphone and then you can add any other settings. If you're editing on an Android or on your Windows PC and you want access to premium CapCut features, TECHLENSIVE Media is currently offering CapCut Pro at an affordable price. You'll get access to premium effects, templates, transitions, and editing tools that will take your content to the next level. I've dropped the link in the description so that you can be able to access it, and below there you will see everything concerning the pricing and how you get access to it. Now let's continue with the video. You can add the echo reduction setting, you can add the mute project, that is, the sounds in all clips will be turned off after the mute project is turned on, right? That is, every other thing will be turned off, every other thing will be muted so that when you speak, your voice only will be heard. And then you can also click on this one, automatically enhance your volume. That is, it enhances your voice, it automatically removes echoes, popping sounds, mouth clicks, and other blah 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 blah. So you can either decide to turn this on or you can decide to leave them off. So basically for me, I think I like my own all turned off because I feel that is where I will get all the quality that I'm looking for while editing my video or while I'm doing my voiceover. So I'll just click on the record button. Now it counts down from 3, 2, 1 and then you can start talking. Now while you are talking into your microphone, you can see that it is recording. By the way, I'm not Daniel. So that was just part of the video. Then I'll now continue doing my voiceover record. And after that, if I'm done like doing the record, I'll just come to this place and hit the delete icon. Now let's take for example you made a mistake while editing or while doing your voiceover. You can just come to the place you made the edits, that is the mistake, Ctrl B and delete the place you made the mistake. Then you go back to the record icon and then you click the record button. But if you do not make a mistake, that should just be it. Now when you're done recording, everything becomes enabled once again. Then you can go and re-listen to what your voiceover sounds like. So basically, you know, I was talking in this one, but let's hear how it sounds like. It's down from 3, 2, 1 and then you can start talking. Now while you are talking into your microphone, you can see that it is recording. By the way, I'm not Daniel. So that was just part of the video. Then I'll now continue doing. So this is how you can be able to record quickly and easily on your laptop. That is recording a voice over. I'm sure this was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to that your editor friend that uses CapCut to edit their videos. Anyways, I know this was helpful and I will see you in the next one. As always, peace.